Hello friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. I'm Sarah, Customer Service Representative at Osborne. Today I want to share with you our wide selection of wood species. We have several paint grade and stain grade options so that you can choose the one best suited for your project. Each wooden component is sanded to 150 grit to allow for easy finishing. Our wood selection offers a range of appearances and makes it easy to customize your build. Whether you would like a wood that is dark in color with a uniform texture or light in color with knots throughout, we have what you need, plus everything in between. You can choose from soft maple to rustic alder to mahogany to western red cedar and much more. You're sure to find the perfect wood type for your design in our selection. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can learn more about our wood species on our website at www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.